Tate School held its annual open house, and this year they showcased a brand new classroom. It's replacing a building that was destroyed in a tornado in August of 2023. The storm also took down a historic cedar tree they sculpted into an eagle. A roof was also ripped off the school, and some buildings were shifted. Principal Kay Simmons tells us they were at the school when the tornado ripped through. It was right before classes were set to start back up for that school year. No students were there, but all of the faculty was. Simmons tells us she's excited to show off the new classroom and everything the school has to offer.
Tate School is very unique. We are a school on 54 acres with lots of outdoor learning spaces. We have a pond, an orchard, forests and fields, and our students get to not just read about science or history, they get to experience doing things, building things. It's very hands-on, lots of projects. It's challenging, but it's fun, and that really sets us apart.
They say another thing that sets them apart is the 12 to 15 acres they have devoted to their nature study program. They also host a summer day camp.